You'll remember me when the west wind moves among the fields of barley. You can tell the sun.
Thank you, that's great. Jean Ann! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a smooch. I'm gonna take a movie of this smooch.
How are you today? You're looking good.
I'm gonna get a smooch from Stan.
Among the fields of barley, in his arms she fell as her head came down.
Hands over there.
Among
where?
the fields
In the building.
Inside. Yeah.
will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? And you can tell the sun in his jealous sky when we walk in fields of gold. I never made promises like these. There have been some that I've broken. I swear.
Pretty face before you go in, okay?
Still left.
All right, well, your face and her pretty face.
We'll walk in fields of gold.
I got a picture of it now.
Good. Send it to Todd.
I will.
They don't care.
He's not going anywhere.
Nah.
You know, I keep on doing that.
Thank you.
I never made promises lightly, and there have been some that I've broken, but I swear in the days still left, we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk in fields of gold. Many years have passed since those summer days among the fields of barley. See the children run as the sun goes down, as you lie in fields of gold. You remember me when the west wind moves among the fields of barley. You can tell the sun in his jealous sky when we walked in fields of gold. When we walked in fields of gold. When we walked in fields of gold.
Are the bike riders going to the cemetery with us?
We are.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
I didn't see you. Hey, who's making fun of my hair? What is going on?
I didn't make fun of your hair at all. I didn't.
I'm still hurting from last night.
A while ago, Tyler, Buffy, and
You walked on this heart of mine. I can't find much to believe in. You let me down so many times. Heaven knows how much I love you, but I'm tired of holding on. You better kiss me, 'cause you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. There's not much chance we're gonna make it. If I'm the only one who's tried. Oh, I'm running out of reason. We're running out of time. Someday, girl, you're gonna wake up and wonder what went wrong. You better kiss me, 'cause you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're good at going through the motions. All I hear are alibis. Now I get this empty feeling when I look into your eyes. And I don't see the love light shining. And I don't know what's going on. You better kiss me, 'cause you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You better kiss me, 'cause you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Started in ballet and tap and gymnastics about the same time.
You started ballet?
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
And so she started at 5 and
You better kiss me.
Mom would get me so mad at me.
You're gonna miss me.
Give me some food.
Miss me when I'm gone.
Look, your picture taken. You better smile. Look at those lips.
You better kiss me.
Look at her just glowing like a machine.
Miss me.
Oh, this is what she sees.
Yeah.
I should show that. Her mouth's going to feed me food.
She's wanting some food.